Hi there, I'm Jordan Hansen. I'm from Cobalt Intelligence, and today we're talking about South Dakota. Have you been to South Dakota? Me either. I don't know. Maybe one day I drive through it. I think it's probably not very, pretty low on the visitation list, but I think Mount Rushmore is there, isn't it? That's pretty good. All right, South Dakota, we're going to go there. We're going to talk about how to use their Secretary of State to search for business entities, and then we're going to talk about how to get that data via API, both with Postman and also with our SDK. Let's go to it. Here's South Dakota. Here's the entity fields available. There's organization documents, which is nice, but there's no officer information, which is not nice. And it's also odd there's no state of formation. Like, you can't see the jurisdiction of the business, which is kind of weird. Okay, let's go over here. This is their website. See, South Dakota, Secretary of State. And then we can search right here. You can search by business ID or name, business name. We're going to go contains here. I'm going to type in pizza. Ooh, what about donuts? Let's go on next time. Next time we'll do donuts. Okay, I would like the active one. It's kind of more fun to me. Good standing. There we go. Rushmore Inc. See, Mount Rushmore is there. I knew it. Ooh, registered in 1984 and still in good standing. Respect. There we go. Here's our documents, like I said. All these documents here. All this at 1984. That's awesome. No officer information, sadly, but we do have an agent name right here. And that's all there is here in the South Dakota website. That's how you do the search. So you can get all this data here. Now, if you need certificate of good standing, there's one over here. Now let's talk about how to get this data via API. So this right here is the Cobalt Intelligence portal. You can kind of come in here to test data. So you hit submit. You'll log in and you get some free tests, free trial requests, and you can test to make sure the data matches what you think. It's going to go out and get that data in an automated fashion right now. Typically, I would guess this one's less than 20 seconds. South Dakota, I'm pretty sure it's not a longer one. We'll see, though. Let's try it right now. Come on, baby. If it takes longer than 20 seconds, it'll do something like this, where it gets a retry ID. So I'm going to take that. And then you just kind of keep trying here. Now, this takes too long. Nah, it's done already. There. With all the documents we talked about. See, right there. Rushmore Pizza, we got the agent name, all of that information right in there. All right, now let's show how to do this in Postman. We're going to come over here. You're going to form your URL like this. SD, hit send, and our API key is going to be x-api-key with API key over here. And then it's going to go and search that information right now. And that's your URL. Like, this is it. You just make that request, and it'll just come back and bring that data back to you. So you can use it in your applications, just integrate it without any problem. Let's see if it takes longer. If we have to use a retry ID. Aha, it does. This one takes slightly longer than 20 seconds, huh? That's interesting. So just send the retry ID right there. There we go. Looks like it's done. There we go. That quick. And then you have all the data. And then finally, if you're a JavaScript user, we have an SDK. Hopefully one day we'll have SDKs for more than just JavaScript. But right now, that's all we have. You come over here, and I'll show you how to work this. I have this little function built that leverages the SDK. So you can import this SOS API variable or code, function, method, whatever. And then you're going to initialize it with new and then pass in your API key that you found over here. You know what I'm talking about. Back in that page of the portal. And then you go sosapi.getBusinessDetails. And, that's this one. Yep, get business details. You pass in your business name and state, which are required. Then you can pass in other things like live data, screenshot, these other items that you want. And the cool thing is that retry, you saw when we use that retry ID, it'll handle all that for you. So it just goes through here, it'll automatically retry, and it should be done any second now. There it is. And we asked for a screenshot, so here it is. Let's check that screenshot right there and click it. Look at that screenshot. It looks real good. We have the URL right here, and we also have a timestamp. And that is South Dakota. And that's all. I'm Jordan Hansen signing off. If this video was helpful at all, just subscribe, like, and we can be friends. That is all. Thanks.